Hey, Snickler's back. Real quick one for tonight, as it's Sunday. Okay, we've been chilling today. Okay. Now you've seen when I've done Raspbian X86 and Raspbian and other Pi stuff before. The Scratch is part of the whole operating system. Okay. So if I quickly go up here to you in the menu, we'll bypass Python and Blue Java and stuff like that. Okay. You get Scratch and Scratch 2 in the new version. Okay. The new version. So before, we only had Scratch 1, and we had to go online to go Scratch 2. But now we don't have to, okay? So, some of you have been saying, oh, can we have a bit of Scratch? I thought, oh yeah, rapping, let's do it. Okay. So I'll have a Scratch for you. I've got it all ready for you to go, basically. And I use this on a day-to-day basis for what I do, and I'll leave it there, okay? So now, this is Scratch the cat, and he's rather large at the moment, isn't he? So what I'm going to shrink him. So up here we have some tools for you to use. So the question mark, help. This one here is shrink. The next one is grow. The next one is delete. The next one is duplicate. It's all quite easy. So from the age of 4 to 17, it'll be really easy for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to shrink. I'm going to shrink Scratch, okay? Because he's a bit big at the moment. I've obviously fed him too much. Okay, so he's nice now. I can live with that. Now what I'm going to do the first time, I'll show you this, is just how to draw a box, okay? And you're saying, no, that's really stupid, isn't it? Well, no, not really. Scratch is coding for kids using blocks, okay? We've all used Lego before, back in the day. Even if you're older than me, you've used Lego, or you've used building blocks. So that's how we do it. That is basic coding. It is basically building blocks. But this way it gets kids into it, you know what I'm saying, okay? So what I'm going to do first, okay? We want an event. So I'm just going to say when the green flag is clicked, something will happen. Because it's an event, isn't it? Can you see how easy it is here? So we have motion, looks, sound, pen, data. Don't worry about the ones for now. I'll do another video on that another time. Okay. Sensing and control. So when we click the flag, what do we want to do? Well, I'll tell you what I want to do. Because I want to draw a box. I want to go to pen. I want to put my pen down. Okay. So I'll put pen down there. And I'm going to set my pen colour. See, it's all there for you. And it's to red. That's SuperDuper, isn't it? Okay. So now what do? We want to move, don't we, really? So okay, we go to motion. And I'm going to set this point and direction 90 degrees. So he's going to go right. Now, what happens if I don't do that? He won't go to right, simply. But if you go down to the Scratch cat here, and we click on the eye icon there, you can say if he turns, he goes straight or he doesn't. So I want him to stay in the same geometry, basically. So I'm going to keep him there. So that's good for me. So that means he's going to stay the same, basically. We'll go to other stuff another time. I might do one Scratch video a week. We'll see how we go. You know what's going. Yeah, let's go. So anyway, there's me Scratch. Okay. We put our pen down, we set our pen colour, and we set our direction. Now we want him to move, okay? So I'm going to put move here. But 10 steps in this little box is very small, so I'm going to set it to, what should we say, 100? Okay, 100, okay. Now you could say, yeah, that's fine. What do we do? Oh, no, it's not that easy. Think about it. We're trying to get young people to think about what we're doing, okay? So we've clicked our flag, the pen's gone down, and we've set our colour to red. He's pointed in the right direction, so to the right, 90 degrees, and he's going to move 100 steps. Yeah? You get me? Now, what I'm going to do is do a control. So I want him to wait a little while, okay? So it says wait 1 second. I'm going to say wait 2 seconds, okay? So let's wait, that's fine, okay? I can live with that. But now I'm going to duplicate something. This is really called cheating, okay? So if I click here and duplicate, we can put that there. And we've basically got the same stuff we had. But now I can get him to go up. So I can go up to 0 degrees. Can you see where I'm going with this? I'm sure you can. Yeah, I'm sure you can. So we'll do that again. Should we duplicate again? Yeah, of course we can. Okay. So what direction we're going to go? We want to go left that time, don't we? Yeah, you get me? You know where I'm coming from. I'm going to duplicate again. Oh, yeah. Super easy, isn't it? So that goes down 1, 2. So what we're going to do at the end of the day is we're going to click our flag, which is over here. I'll make it full screen for you when we do it. Our pen goes down. We set our pen colour. We point in the direction we want to go. We move 100 steps. We wait 2 seconds. Point in another direction. Move another 100 steps. Wait another 2 seconds. Point in another direction. Move 100 steps. Wait another 2 seconds. Oh no, I'm out of breath already. Point in 180 direction. And move another. And wait another 2 seconds. Shall we see what it does? Let's have a look. Okay. We click the green flag. So there it goes. Wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. He's drawn a square for us. You see how easy that is. Now, what if we can do some other stuff with that? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to pen. On this one here, I'm going to change the pen colour. Okay. So we're going to change that by 40. It'd be a nice big one. We move the code back up. Remember, this is all code, by the way. Just in MIT's way of thinking. It's all code. Yeah. But what we need to do at the end here is put an ending. Okay, so if we go to where we can stop all. We'll just stop all for now. That'll be right. That is not correct, by the way. So you'll see in a minute. So we go here, click. Let's see. We'll go back here, click a green flag. He's drawn the box. Can you see the colours have changed? And they change every time. And that's how easy it is. And that's how we start to teach young children how to use coding in a block-by-block method. Okay. What I'm going to do to you because I've got another week off, okay, I'm going to do 2 more of these. I'm going to do some more stuff that's a bit more interesting. I'll show you one that's a bit more interesting. I've got some here for you. Okay, so I'll load a project for you. This is one we use in class all the time, so I'll open it. So yes, of course I want to do that. This is called Lost in Space, okay? I'm going to make it nice and big for you. And what we do, what happens is when we click the flag, can you see? The spaceship goes over to Earth. The rock's down here. We've got our space monkey with his space helmet on. The star goes bright and dark. Everything goes hunky-dory. This is the sort of thing you can do. It's really, really easy. And I thought you'd like to see that. Okay. So I'll do one in another 2-3 days' time. But we'll do something a bit more experience for you. Okay. Sneaky links out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.